Some men see things as they are and say why. I dream of things that never were and say why not. A very pleasant morning to one and all. Respected principal, headmaster, registrar, beloved teachers and all my dear friends. Today, on this fine morning, it's Sainik appear on the dais to inform you that your planet needs you. Speaking about shade, a Tibetan village, Daniel Goleman, the author of Ecological Intelligence, observes how, when a home is to be re-roofed, a willow tree is planted in the village. The willow tree lasts 400 years, and when one dies, another is planted. The village of 300, even in its harsh Himalayan environment, can survive for thousands of years through its sustainable approach to life. Goleman's conclusion is that people of Share have a brand wisdom that has kept them alive for centuries. He calls it ecological intelligence. Do you have ecological intelligence? The good news is that in India, eco-friendly practices are ingrained in us from childhood. Although many of these practices are vanishing. For example, it is very difficult to find a cobbler to mend a torn shoe that was very easy to do 2 decades ago. India still tops the world in sustainable practices. According to the third and latest Green Deck survey conducted by National Geographic Society and GlobeScan in 2010, Indian lifestyle were ranked the most sustainable, and that was 3 years in a row. The survey looks at the consumer behavior and its impact on the environment. India may not be installing solar panels and deploying technology on a large scale to address the ecological degradation. But we do have a bath with a bucket of water that reduces wastage. We hang our clothes in the sun instead of using energy-hungry clothes dryers. And come to think of it, we produce the world's largest selling green car in the river. At the bottom of the approach is not to look for the fashionable green technologies, but rather concentrate on reducing, reusing and recycling. Friends, that perhaps is a more rational way to saving the world through a real commitment to lifestyles that are sustainable and rather than by changing the products we buy. However, here is a list of some unusual products and practices that go beyond the usual ecological suspects like CFL bulbs and reusable bags that can make changes to your life and make it pro-environment. First one is about the bicycle. You have heard it a million times that using a bicycle can help you in more than one way. By using bicycle for your daily shopping, you can make a big difference to your environment. To make things more interesting, why not use a bicycle made of bamboo? Bangalore-based bicycle designer Vijay Sharma makes world-class bamboo bicycles that are eco-friendly, natural as well as rugged. Secondly, Eco Ganesh. God lives in details. Next time during Ganesh Chaturthi, ensure your Ganesh idol is eco-friendly, that is, it's unpainted. As the paint is toxic, when the idols are immersed in a lake or a river, the paint pollutes the water. The Bangalore-based living store founder Chetan KS makes unpainted idols as well as others that are painted with eco-friendly vegetable dyes. Thirdly, throwing a party, need paper plates. Why not replace them with eco-friendly plates that are made from areca palms? The making of the plates does not even involve cutting of trees. Natural leaves are turned into chemical-free, biodegradable, compostable and disposable plates. And more interestingly, they are microwavable too. Nextly, banana fiber cushion covers. Actually, banana fiber can be used for a vast range of things like making of cushion covers, laundry bins, window blinds, lamps and mats. Sometimes the banana fiber is blended with natural substances like jute and grass to make the most exquisite home decor items. These are the simple for examples, friends, and the list is endless. So, and also not to forget, support the eco-friendly establishments, such as at Bangalore, there is an eco-friendly establishment called Fat Chef. And to have more information about this, visit www.gramya.co.in. Your responsibility to the environment as an Indian citizen is outlined in the Indian Constitution in Article 48A and 51G. I bet you did not know that. Here are 5 interesting facts related to environment that you may like to know. First one is, you can lower your carbon footprint by 1 ton a year by sticking to vegetarian diet. Second, it takes 7 times more water to manufacture a bottle of water that contains 1 liter of water. Thirdly, when the food travels from farm to food table, the maximum number of miles are added when consumers drive to the store, buy vegetables from a store that you can walk down to. Fourth, paper bags have higher life cycle carbon emission than plastic. This does not mean you use plastic, it means you opt for reusable bags. Fifth, a molecule of methane has 21 times more potential to contribute to global warming than a molecule of carbon dioxide. Methane is released from decaying organic matter. Thus, to put it in a nutshell, I would like to tell you a thought. There are people who make things happen. There are people who watch things happen. And there are people who say what happened. So friends, be among the first one, that is people who make things happen and make a big difference to your environment, because your planet really needs you. Hoping I have truly informed you that your planet needs you. I take a leave of you. Thank you. Thank you and all.